Hello and welcome to Bridging the Gap, the episodes where we explore ideas, tools, and strategies to connect you with your own self, which you aspire to be. I'm Sanchita, and today we are diving into a topic that's the cornerstone of success in any field: teamwork and collaboration. Whether you are leading a team, contributing as a member, or seeking harmony in personal relationships, collaboration is a skill that can transform challenges into triumphs. By the end of this episode, you will have actionable insights to foster connection, synergy, and shared purpose in any setting. Now let's look at what are the importance of teamwork. Let's start with why teamwork matters. Picture a rowing team in perfect sync. Each stroke, each movement is coordinated for maximum efficiency. Now imagine one member rowing out of rhythm. The entire team suffers. Collaboration is the same. It's about aligning goals, respecting strengths, and working towards a shared vision. Research shows teams that work collaboratively are 50% more productive than individuals working alone. Think about your own experiences. When have you felt the power of an unaltered team? And when was a misalignment caused setbacks? Understanding this contrast is the first step to embracing teamwork as a non negotiable superpower. Now, let's look at some of the key elements of successful collaboration. Now that we've established why we need it, let's talk about how do we do this. Successful collaborations rests on three pillars: clear communication, open, honest dialogue, ensures everyone is on the same page. Techniques like active listening and summarizing key points can prevent misunderstanding. Emotional intelligence. Recognizing and respecting emotions builds trust. Empathy allows us to connect, while self awareness helps us manage conflicts constructively. Redefine roles and goals. Clarity is very crucial for each member to know their responsibilities and how they contribute to the larger vision. It fosters accountability and focus. For example, in my own journey, I have seen projects transformed simply by implementing regular check ins and feedback loops. These small shifts can create massive momentum. Now let's look at how do we overcome some of the collaboration challenges that we face. Now, of course, collaboration does not come without its own challenges. Let's look at how to address the common roadblocks. Conflict. Misunderstandings are inevitable. Use strategies like finding common ground or reframing disagreements as opportunities for growth. Lack of motivation. Reignite shared purpose by revisiting the team's goals and celebrating small wins. Diverse perspectives. While diversity enriches a team, it can also lead to friction. So, foster inclusivity by encouraging everyone to share ideas and finding solutions that honor different viewpoints. Remember, challenges aren't obstacles, they are stepping stones to stronger collaboration. So, with that, as we wrap up, let's just recap what we talked about today. Teamwork is about more than completing tasks, it's about creating connections. that amplify strengths and minimize weaknesses. When we communicate clearly, respect emotions, and define roles, collaboration becomes not just effective but enjoyable. So, here's what I want you to do: identify one area where you can improve teamwork, whether it's your professional life or community project or even your family dynamics. Implement one strategy we discussed today and observe the impact. If this episode inspired you, share it with your team or someone striving to build a better collaboration. Together, let's keep bridging the gap between where we are and where we want to be. So, until next time, keep practicing and use these techniques. I'll see you again. Bye bye.